Play. What are the basic data types in Python? Pause. Wait. Think. Python has several basic data types, including integers, int whole numbers without decimals; floating point numbers, float numbers with decimals; strings, str ordered sequences of characters; booleans, bool represents true or false values. Play. Explain the difference between mutable and immutable data types in Python. Pause. Wait. Think. Mutable data types, e.g., lists, dictionaries, can be modified after creation, while immutable data types, e.g., tuples, strings, cannot be changed once they are created. Play. What is the difference between and is in Python? Pause. Wait. Think. The operator checks for equality of values, comparing the content of objects. The is keyword checks for identity, verifying if two variables reference the same object in memory. Play. How do you reverse a string in Python? Pause. Wait. Think. To reverse a string, you can use slicing, reversed_str my_str, 1. This creates a new string with characters in reverse order. Play. Explain the difference between str and repr in Python. Pause. Wait. Think. Str returns a human-readable string representation of an object, while repr returns an unambiguous string representation that could be used to recreate the object. Repr is often used for debugging and development. Play. How do you add an element to a list in Python? Pause. Wait. Think. You can add an element to a list using append, which adds the element to the end, or insert, which inserts the element at a specific index. Additionally, you can use the plus operator for concatenation. Play. What is the difference between remove and pop in Python? Pause. Wait. Think. Remove removes the first occurrence of a specified value from the list. Pop removes and returns the element at a specified index. If no index is provided, it removes and returns the last element. Play. Explain the key differences between lists and tuples. Pause. Wait. Think. Lists are mutable, meaning you can modify their contents after creation. Tuples are immutable, making them unchangeable once created. Lists use square brackets, while tuples use parentheses. Play. How do you perform set intersection and union in Python? Pause. Wait. Think. Intersection is done using setEk_setDo or setEk.intersection, setDo. This returns a new set with common elements. Union is achieved with setEk_setDo or setEk.union, setDo, creating a new set with all unique elements from both sets. Play. How do you iterate over the items of a dictionary? Pause. Wait. Think. You can use a for loop with items, method, for key, value in my_dict.items, uda smiley. This allows you to iterate over both keys and values in the dictionary. Play. Explain the difference between dict.keys and dict.values in Python. Pause. Wait. Think. Dict.keys returns a view of the dictionary keys, allowing iteration over keys. Dict.values returns a view of the dictionary values, enabling iteration over values.